Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to change your first name on Pinterest using your PC, following the latest updates to the platform. It's a straightforward process, so let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open Pinterest on your computer. Simply go to Pinterest.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Pinterest homepage, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon there. This is where you'll access your settings. Click on the gear icon. This action will open up a menu from which you should select Settings. Clicking Settings will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Pinterest account. On this page, you'll want to find and click on the Edit Profile option. This is where you can change your personal information, including your name. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, you'll see several fields that you can modify. Look for the First Name bar. This is where your current first name is displayed. Click inside this bar and you'll be able to delete the existing name and type in your new first name. Go ahead and enter the first name you'd like to use on your Pinterest profile. After you've entered your new first name, take a moment to review it to make sure it's exactly as you want it. Once you're happy with the change, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There, you'll find a Save button. Click on the Save button to apply the changes you've made to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your first name on Pinterest. Now, when people view your profile, they'll see your updated name. This is especially useful if you've had a name change, are rebranding, or simply want to update your online persona. Remember, keeping your Pinterest profile up to date is a great way to ensure your account accurately reflects who you are. By following these steps, you can easily maintain your personal brand and make sure your followers always know who they're connecting with. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore the other settings in the Edit Profile section to further customize your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and have fun pinning.